Good morning to all the students. Today we are going to learn Standard 6 Subject History. Students, today we will begin learning with a new chapter. Chapter number 9 Ancient Kingdoms of the South. In the previous chapter, that is in chapter number 8, we have studied about some of the important kingdoms or the dynasties of the northern India. In today's chapter, we will study about the dynasties or the kingdoms which belonged to the south of ancient India. Students, now let us have a look at the important kingdoms or the dynasties which we are going to study in this chapter. We will be studying the following dynasties. They are the Chir, Pandya and Chola dynasty, the Satvana dynasty, the Vakataka dynasty, the Chalukya dynasty, the Pallava dynasty and the Rakshayukta dynasty. In today's part of the chapter, we will be studying about the first two dynasties, that is the Chir Pandya and Chola dynasty and the Satvana dynasty. So students, now let us begin with the studies. Firstly, the Chir Pandya and the Chola dynasty. Of many dynasties in South India, three dynasties or three kingdoms are mentioned in the literature of those ancient times. These three dynasties are the Chir, Pandya and the Chola dynasties. All these three dynasties were in power around the 4th century BCE or even before that. It is believed that these dynasties belonged to the Sangam period, and that's why they have also been mentioned in the Sangam literature in Tamil Nadu. Even we find the mention of these dynasties in the epics of Ramayana and Mahabharata. Apart from these literatures, even in the inscriptions of the Maurya Emperor Ashoka, these dynasties are being mentioned. In the book titled The Periplus of the Itharian Sea, the port of Mauritius is mentioned as an important port. Students, this port is located on the coast of Kerala. This port was in the Chir kingdom and it was a major center for the export of goods. Various goods and things were exported from this coast of Mauritius of Kerala to Rome in Italy and also to other countries of the West. The things which were exported included spices, pearls, precious stones, etc. Such things were of great demand in Italy. Students, the kingdom of Pandya was a part of today's state of Tamil Nadu. The capital of the Pandya kingdom was the city of Madurai. There was a great demand for high quality of pearls of the Pandya kingdom. The ancient kingdoms of the Chola dynasties occupied the region of Tiruchirappalli in the state of Tamil Nadu. Students, now let us study about the next kingdom of the south, that is the Satvahana dynasty or the Satvahana kingdom. Students, as we have already studied in the previous chapter, that after the decline of the Maurya Empire, many local kings became independent. In the same way, the local kings in Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Telangana also became independent and they established their own small kingdoms. One of these kingdoms was the Satvahana dynasty. The city of Pratishthan or the present day city of Paithan in the state of Maharashtra was the capital city of the Satvahana dynasty. Students, it is believed that King Shimukh was the founder of this Satvahana dynasty. It means the first king of the Satvahana dynasty was King Shimukh. He led the foundation of the Satvahana dynasty, which was later on expanded in various other parts. The inscriptions or the writings on the walls in the caves of Naneghat near the city of Junnar in the district of Pune bear the names of some of the important persons of the Satvahana dynasty. Students, these are the names of the important kings of this dynasty. Some of the Satvahana kings were known for their unique name. The kings used to write their mother's name before their own name. For example, the king Satkarni used to write his mother's name Gautami before his name and hence he was named as Gautami Putra Satkarni. So students, in this way the kings of the Satvahana dynasty used to give equal importance to their mother by writing their mother's name before their own name. From the kings of the Satvahana dynasty, King Gautamiputra Satkarni is popularly well known. A stone inscription in the caves at Nashik describes his deeds of great valor. Gautamiputra Satkarni had defeated the Shaka king Nahapana and began with the Shalivana Shaka era. Gautamiputra Satkarni is well known for his valor and bravery deeds. Students, Gautamiputra Satkarni is described as Trisamudra Toya Pitavahan. This was a special title which was given to this king. Here, the words in this title are Tri means three, Samudra means the seas, Toya means water, Pith means have drunk, and Vahan means the horse. So, students, this title means one whose horse have drunk the water of three different seas. The three seas are the Arabian Sea towards the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean, which is located in the south direction of our country, India. During the reign of King Gautamiputra Satkarni, the boundaries of the Satvahana dynasty had extended far and wide. During his reign, the empire of the Satavahanas extended from the river Narmada in the north to the Tungabhadra river in the south. The famous poetic work titled Gata Saptashati in Maharashtri, a Prakrit language of Maharashtra, was composed by the Satvahana king Hala. This work provides us complete information about the life of the people who were living during the Satvahana period. Indian trade had increased greatly during the Satvahana period. It was the time when many new centers of trade were emerged. Among them, Paitan, Ter, Bokardan, and Kolhapur were recognized as the important centers. During this period, many artistic objects were produced at these places. Also, all these Indian goods were exported to faraway countries such as Rome. Students, some of these Satvahana coins carries the images of ships on them. This image of ships shows that during the Satvahana period, trade between other countries was carried out with the help of water routes through ships. The cave sculptures at Ajanta, Nashik, Karla, Bhaje, Kanheri, Junhar in the state of Maharashtra were all carved during the Satvahana period. Students, all these sculptures on the caves provide us with a glimpse of the life of people who lived during the Satvahana period. It also tells us that during the Satvahana period, a lot of importance was given towards the development of art. So, students, here we come to the end about the learning of the Satvahana dynasty. We will continue learning about the remaining dynasties in the next session. Thank you.